What's the time frame?
Hours or less. You get the gear?
Best I could do on a short notice. Suppressors, ammo, no flashbangs.
Nice job, Nick. 40 cal hollow points.
150 grain. Your favorite.
Conceal it for now.
Rally at the warehouse.
Rog, bring the package.
On my way, Captain.
I know you want another shot at the butcher.
No grave deep enough for that sick bastard, sir.
You'll have your chance. All right, but right now, we need the butcher alive.
Привет.
Привет. We sweep the guards up so they can't alert the others, then move in on the rear door.
Rog.
Guns on my signal, not before. Easy, easy, mate. We've got permits, right? Show 'em, Carl. Now. Oh, sit down. Nikolai, trash in the alley.
I brought bags.
You think of everything. Door, Sergeant, take point. Check your shots. Butcher gets us to Hadir. We need him breathing until he does.
This is retaliation. Today, the pain and suffering is not ours, but theirs. We give special thanks to our new soldier. Huh? Strong.
Butcher is running!
Clear! All clear! Get after him!
Don't let him get away!
Don't let them follow!
Don't let him get away!
Street doors open.
Butcher's on the run! Civilians, check your fire!
Fucking hell!
Target is moving south.
Copy. I'm ready. The gunshots, of course.
Stay with us. Out. All right, stay on him. I'll circle around for intercept.
Roger!
Дороги! I'll take you head, motherfucker. You hear me? They die because of you.
Sergeant!
Oh, good, sir. Target's on the move. Riverside.
Butcher going over the bridge, Sergeant.
Where are you headed?
Contact! Vehicle, left side! Clear! Butcher going for it. Get him! Step it up! He's close!
on the fence!
Nick, he's cutting through the cafe, Riverside. South, where are you?
Inbound, Captain.
Watch for reinforcements.
Where the hell are they coming from?
Molotov, heads up!
He's getting away!
Right, find a way through.
Three down!
Don't lose him. He's heading for the river. Nikolai!
We got him!
It's hard to run with concussion, no?
That's only a scratch. Get the fucking back.
Who are you? So my men can send your head home to your families?
Fuck off, shitpouch.
Small problem.
What?
Engine is a little bit clanky.
I'm sick of the bloody lot. Cover us, pal. Line 'em up.
Where are the chemicals?
Up your fucking Russian ass. You can't hurt me, you weak piece of shit. But you, Captain, oh, you can do better than that. You think I forgot your face, SAS? Huh? Or you, Sergeant?
Get your head in the
fucking
game,
prick.
Sergeant.
We need to break this bastard, Captain.
We're about to. Nikolai, where's the package?
Pulling in now, Captain.
Okay. You got a Nikolai. You got a package. You come back here. Right?
Sergeant Garrick, package is in the back.
What is it?
Truth serum.
Please,
Bargaining
please let us
chips.
go. We know nothing.
For negotiation. Perhaps the butcher will have a change of heart.
Mama, what's happening?
Please, just don't hurt my son. We'll do what you say.
Scared, Mama.
Don't be afraid, huh? Your mama's brave, boy. Where are you taking us?
Where are we going, Mama?
We are going to talk to some men, and then we will go home. What you're doing is unforgivable. We are innocent people. I demand to know why we are here.
Kyle, you don't have to do this. You in or out?
I'm in, sir.
Good. Hand them off to Diego.
No, please.
Usa. Amun. Be careful with them, you son of a bitch!
You want the gloves off? They're off.
What did you do? Your own son is here, your own child.
No, he's got no problems with hurting children, that right, Sergeant?
None.
Shut up.
What have you done? You promised you'd keep this away from us.
Captain, I can't do this.
Excused. Pick it up, Sergeant.
What are you going to do to us?
Hey, no. Hey, stop. They know nothing about this. Okay, stop.
Please, no. Do something for your son.
You pulled the hammer, Sergeant, not me. Rest assured, I wouldn't let the Sergeant brandish a loaded weapon indoors, unless he had to. Now, last chance, where's the gas?
Hey, no, leave him. Karitka Theater. No,
Lie.
I am not. I swear to you, I'm not. The gas is there. Karitka Theater, I swear to you.
Where's Hadir?
Young blood? You're too late to stop him. Go, Sergeant. Save some fucking Russians. General Barkov already be dead.
Dear, he's going after Barkov. We're done with him. You take a minute.
Russia and the West will go to war and leave our land alone. Go, Sergeant. I told you everything, Sergeant. Do what you want with me, but let my family leave.
Guys, this is the Karetka Theater. Securing, call it in, you know the drill.
Will do. Cruiser is yours. It will get you out of the city.
Diaz at Barkov's estate. He's gonna kill him.
And start the World War.
Not if we kill him first. Garrick, get in the car. Covers. Let's move, Sergeant.
George.
Один, входим!
Всем стоять, не двигаться!
You little fucks! Untie me!
Контактов нет. Вижу химикаты. Внимание всем! Заложники безопасности. Химикаты целый. Мясник здесь.
Принято. Расчет их им защите уже в пути.
Hey. It's a checkpoint.
For us.
What is there a difference?
Road's blocked. What's the plan?
Shock and all.
What if they don't move?
That all hell's gonna break loose.
3 seconds.
That's plenty of time.
Holy shit, Captain.
Nikolai saved our bacon.
What if they follow?
They won't.
Boss. What the hell are we doing here?
We're cleaning up a mess.
With women and
They
children.
were leverage.
They were
When
hostages.
you take the gloves off, you get blood on your hands, Kyle. That's how it works.
Where do we draw the line, sir?
You draw the line wherever you need it, Sergeant. At the end of the day, someone has to make the enemy scared of the dark. We get dirty, and the world stays clean. That's the mission. Now, if you're having second thoughts, then I can do this on my own.
No, sir. No second thoughts.
Good. Now let's get out of here before he kills Barkov.
Al-Qatala search party.
Hadir brought AQ.
They're still looking.
We're not too late then. Let's get Hadir before he starts a third world war in Barkov's basement. Stay close.
It's quiet.
Means Hadir's already in control.
Barkov may not be home.
I assume he is. If he's not, he will be. Barkov's place will be crawling without Katana. Best advantage we'll have is the dark. Stay hidden and only engage when you have to. If Hadir's in Barkov's house, we need a chance to find him. Shots fired. Let's go. That gate's our entry point. Shoot the light. We'll use the dark for cover. Let's move. AQ ahead. Hold fire. It's too many. Stay hidden. Keep out of the light. Move up. Just stay hidden. Carl, this way. Stay in the dark and they won't see you. Rally on me, Sergeant. We need to kill the power. Use the fuse box on the wall. Our exit's blocked. Kill a light and it'll distract them. Wait for him to move. Okay, they're splitting up. Two on the right. Let's hit them first. All clear. Move up. Overlooks ahead. There's the General's compound. Let's see what we're up against.
What we got, boss?
Main house looks quiet. Got movement in the clock tower, church, and pool. Rope down. I'll provide overwatch. Take him out. You clear? Careful, they're outnumbered, but you can try and disengage if things go loud. You're approaching the pool. I've got the light for you.
As our children have left!
Sounds like Al-Qatala's got a hostage.
See if Adia's there. He could have Barkov. Keep an eye out for a fuse box. Kill all the lights and give us an advantage.
No sign of Adia, but his men have a hostage.
Find out what the officer knows. The intel to lead us to Barkov. That's stirred up the Hornet's nest, car. They'll be after you now. See if the hostage can still talk. Heads up. You got Al-Qatala reinforcements in the main house. Out to the exits.
Stop!
هذا أنت يا أخي؟
My father. My father.
Poor bastard's done in.
We still have to check the church and clock tower. Adir could be there. Heads up. AQ's on patrol and technical. Keep your distance.
اخواني شو عم يصير؟
I'll help you stay hidden.
اخواني شو عم يصير؟ اخواني شو عم يصير؟
Enemy technical, do not engage.
اخواني شو عم يصير؟
I see an enemy, right side.
هذا أنت يا أخي؟
Prisoners are still at the church and clock tower. Get moving. I've lost visual. You're on your own for now. Not much activity at Barkov's main house. You can bypass it for now. Wait. That one's in view of another target.
هو قريب حاسس بوجوده.
No visual. You're on your own in there, mate.
مين ضرب اللمبة؟ كل شيء تمام. كمل دوري.
فريق الرخائين تعرض لإصابات. ركزوا منيح. الأعلى بالمنطقة.
Clock tower ahead. Nice work. Keep low. You'll be hard as a spot.
ما شفت اثر للعدو بس في شيء.
ما عاد شفته.
ما عاد شفته. فريق رهائن تعرض للهجوم. الأعلى بالمنطقة. ديروا بالكم.
Even after you give me the location. Where is the lab? اللمبة. شو القصة؟
Still no visual on Nadir. It's another hostage.
See if they can still talk.
ظن كل شيء تمام. كمل دوري.
I won't betray my family.
Shit, Captain. The hostages are Barkov's family.
Barkov's men came into Hadir's house, and now he's in theirs. Get to the church now. If they have a hostage, he won't last long.
I don't want to die here! Please! They're going to kill me here! Don't go! Please! Don't go! Come back! Don't
بس في شيء
leave!
غلط.
Just free me. I'll do anything. Just don't leave me like this. Please.
You got a target on the right. You're coming up to the church. That's heightened security. AQ patrols are headed your way from the main house.
All you have to do is tell me where Barkov is. I want the location. Give me the location.
He's in the church. Sounds like he doesn't have long.
You cannot keep track of your own killing instruments. Where is the lamp? Get up!
A fuse box is to the west.
I can do this.
It's a fun idea.
Find out if the office gate They're sending him back up. 5 AQ will leave in the main house.
رايح شوف مرة تانية.
They broke him. He's saying third floor, 451.
It's all we got to go on. Get to the top floor of the estate. I'll meet you there.
4451. Third floor, 451. Third floor, 451. Third floor, 451. Third floor, 451.
انتوا كلاب. احنا كلاب.
Let's rally up. Get to the main house.
ما عندي شي بلغ عنه. رح ضل هون عم دور.
Place just lit up like a bloody football ground. Get to the third floor now.
Working on him.
make.
All right, I'm inside.
Head to the 3rd floor. We need to move.
Moving to the
Get to
3rd
the
floor.
3rd. Watch your fire. I'm up top.
451.
Go! Stupid bastard! Where's Barkov?
He's not here.
His family was here.
Are you protecting him?
No, we're taking you.
Come.
Wait! I'm not your enemy. I know where the gas is made. I have the location.
This is Barkov's chemical factory.
Yes, I'm taking it down. We're still on the same side, Captain.
Not like this.
Then help us. Please, help my sister. Listen.
Get down!
A no way out! The north side tunnels!
You're in my custody in here. Don't fuck about.
The door is stuck!
Carl! Door's stuck. Quick! Keep moving. You stand the hornet's nest in here. Barkov will want heads for this.
We have to go now!
Hey, just keep your gun on the Russians.
Help Garrett, I'll cover.
You done in, Sergeant? On your feet, we are leaving!
Sergeant, your weapon!
At the stairs. Watch out for that searchlight! Come to the buildings, go! That helo's targeting you! Watch out for that searchlight! Come through the building! Go! That helo's targeting you! Get inside! Stay out of the open! Enemies up high! Missiles incoming! Watch out for that searchlight! Come through the buildings, go!
They're leaving cover!
Get inside! Stay out of the open! X-rays in the open! We need cover! Get inside! That hero's targeting you! Push east! Get indoors! That helo will tear us apart! Missiles incoming!
Got a visual on the tunnel!
Incoming!
It's locked, Captain. I need something to open it.
Take these.
It's open. Let's go.
Missiles incoming!
Clear your head, son.
Never been more clear, sir. You helped me attack the lab, yes?
Not on your life.
You're going down for this.
Captain!
This was a one-way trip, Padilla. You knew that.
But you'll do the right thing, yes? Boss, tell me we're gonna finish this.
We need support. Let's hope we get it.
Move.
Captain, please, give Farah the plans, tell her the truth. You'll have a chance to tell the whole world. I don't care about the world. I did this for my sister.
Faceplate to 06. Friendly air traffic approaching south of 180. Call sign is Watcher 1.
Copy. It's Laswell.
What's she doing here?
I smell blood. Lab intel. Keep it on you.
Yes, sir.
What the hell is this?
It's the off switch. We're turning him over.
To who?
Russia.
Prisoner swap.
It's one way.
What's the word, boss?
Stand by.
Don't make this ugly, Captain.
Give me a reason not to.
It's a proxy war, John. We're all just pawns in this.
You speak for yourself. Hand him over.
Yes, sir.
Idea's yours, intel's mine.
Whatever you've got going on here, I can help.
I'll call you if I need you.
Got E6, Captain.
Farah! Let's talk.
I know how this works, Captain.
Not this time. They gave Hadia to the Russians.
They'll kill him.
If he's lucky.
Looks like you saved the free world again, Captain Price.
Hadia located Barkov's lab in eastern Georgia.
Gas factory.
He had plans to destroy it.
It is fucking crazy.
Yeah, but we're a little crazy, aren't we? Isn't that right, Alex?
Affirmative, sir.
With your help, we can finish what he started.
You're a good friend, Captain. And the worst enemy, I'm sure. But I do not cross borders and invade. I defend my people here at home.
Well, sometimes the best line of defense. It's all there. Plans, personnel.
I see. A militia with no ties to the West could carry out this mission.
And they'd all blame the terrorists, wouldn't they?
I knew I could trust you. If Barkov's there, he's mine.
This is a covert operation to destroy Barkov's gas lab. Nikolai's on the inside. He'll provide the explosives. 2 teams will infiltrate. Garrick and I will plant charges on the pipeline. Farah and Alex, you'll get a detonator from Nikolai and rig the main furnace. When the charges are set, get a safe distance and bring it down. That support from Laswell paves the way. Rest is up to us.
Troops in the open north side of the bridge. Copper fire.
Copy. 3 seconds to impact.
Bell's run. Let's see who's on.
Farah! Yalla, yalla!
Perimeter's open, Kate. We're moving in.
Handing off straight control to you now.